When two automobiles collide, serious injury or death can result. However, the passengers inside the vehicle are at least somewhat protected by a steel cage, safety belts, and airbags. A pedestrian is completely vulnerable when struck by a 3,000-pound-plus vehicle, and a car traveling at a relatively low rate of speed can do much more damage to a pedestrian than two cars colliding at higher speeds. The ever-increasing number of multitasking drivers is certainly a factor in the increase in pedestrian accidents. Drivers can be talking on their cell phones, texting, changing radio stations, eating, looking at their GPS or map, talking to passengers, or turning around to see what children are doing in the back seat. All dangerous behaviors when an unsuspecting pedestrian is in the vicinity. A report issued by the Denver Police Department clearly showed an increase in car accidents involving pedestrians in 2013. In fact, more than 1,200 pedestrians were injured or killed in Denver accidents involving automobiles in the 3 years between 2011 and 2013. Obviously, pedestrian accidents are fairly frequent occurrences in Denver, resulting in serious injury and fatalities. Anytime a pedestrian comes in contact with a moving vehicle, there is a good chance the pedestrian will at least suffer debilitating injury. Hospital and medical bills can mount quickly, and the injured pedestrian may be forced to take substantial amounts of time away from work. Pedestrian accidents are much more common in busy cities such as Denver, although Denver does not fall in the top 10 cities for pedestrian accidents. Highly congested urban areas are simply more likely to result in pedestrian accidents, although interstates and highways can also be the location of pedestrian accidents. Driver negligence is by and large the primary cause of pedestrian accidents. Some of the most common causes of driver-pedestrian accidents include distracted drivers, failure by drivers to obey traffic lights or signals, drivers who exceed the speed limit, drivers who fail to observe pedestrians in crosswalks, pedestrian accidents caused by impaired drivers, drivers who make a turn at a stoplight or stop sign without looking for pedestrians, hit-and-run accidents, drivers backing out of a parking space and neglecting to look for pedestrians. If you have been injured in a Colorado pedestrian accident, contact the personal injury law firm of Grant & Hoffman. We know how to protect your legal rights, and we'll work tirelessly to gather the evidence needed to bring a strong claim on your behalf. Call us today.